Alright guys, so this is everything combined, put together. So these are the pants. Everything is a little tight on the tight end, but I think if you'd go bigger, then everything would be too tight, or I mean too loose. So if you went bigger, definitely would be too loose. But this is the full set. Definitely everything's very flexible. Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. For today's video, we're going to be testing out this full outfit, putting this full outfit on. So, yeah, I'm pretty excited. So, this is a t-shirt that we have, and we'll be checking the fitment and all that fun stuff. We also have a jacket and pants, a full athletic set. So, I'm pretty excited, and hopefully, this is something I can wear while working out and also running, jogging, and walking. So let's go ahead and put everything on and show you guys how it looks. And we are back, my friends. So this is the shirt. We're going to go ahead and put this shirt on like this. 3, 2, 1, boom. All right, guys. So this is the shirt. Now, I take size large. And I do got a couple pounds to lose, but this actually feels really cool. Like, I love it. It feels like it's cold. It's nice. So if you normally order your regular size, I would say, yeah, go ahead, order the size you normally would. If you take large, but you are definitely on the chunky side, maybe order up a little bit. I'm a little on the chunky side, as you guys can see, but we also do have a couple muscles that help push out the shirt a little bit, but it's very nice. I like it a lot. It is a nice shirt, so I definitely like it a lot. So let's try out the jacket and see how the jacket fits. So yeah, with the shirt, for fit, as far as fitting goes, I would say, yeah, it's true to size. If you are on the heavier side, I mean, it depends. It depends. It's perfect for me. I just need to lose a little fat, and then it's going to be perfect for me. So I say true to size. Well, this jacket is really nice. By the way, yes, this is going to be great for working out as well, because it stretches. I mean, it's as you guys can see, it stretches very nice, like very nice. Oh my god, it's so cold to the touch, which I love it. It makes you feel like refreshed and alive. Very stretchy. Wow. So it looks tight, but then you can really stretch it out. Okay, the zipper's on the right side, well, that's a plus. Alright, so it's a little tight, but it stretches. So look. So if you look at it here, you can see, you can tell it's a little tight. I got a little weight to lose. The arms and everything's perfect. Everything's perfect. You look there and you think, oh, that's got to be uncomfortably tight. No, check this out. Look how it stretches. Is that not crazy? Look at that. Look how it stretches. So no, it's not uncomfortably tight. It's perfect. You can also pull it down really far. So I mean, look at this. You can push it down far. Great for all exercises. Everybody was kung fu fighting. Those guys were fast as lightning. So guys, yeah, I do like it a lot. So let's try out the pants. So if you are exercising and working out, definitely great for that. You're not going to have any problems with flexibility. So overall, if this is something you're looking into, definitely cool to the touch, feels cool on your body. You're not going to overheat, I don't think, with this, and it's great for mobility and flexibility. So